This river now is raised about, oh, you know, 5 feet, George, 5, 6 feet.
Yeah.
Don't stop raining, you. Yeah, I'll take them to the bridge. When it's like this, it's one of the fastest flowing rivers from source to the sea. I was told that years ago. Certainly proving it now. You don't want to go in here, boy. Cheers, George. We've had rain here now, few days full on. Back when I was in school, this river actually, it burst its banks at the top of Risca and virtually went through Risca town. I actually seen it the night it happened. I went down and seen it. Look at that. Look at that ball, George. Ah, some poor kid lost his football. Well, look, I can't believe how much that's rose, can you? What you got here, this is the Ebro. Just further up in Cross Keys, you got the Sarawi Valley and the Western Valley. And the two rivers meet. And obviously all this rain's coming off the mountains. They're meeting at Cross Keys and then they just belt into the sea. And the sea is virtually Newport, which is what? It's about 10 miles to the sea. Maybe a bit longer, I don't know. This is the old Stony Bridge. It's where we used to come for our cross country. Up over there, all the way through down to bloody Basilisk and that back. Fancy a dip then, George, you?
Oh, if you got past it in.
Yeah. Wow. Sheer volume of water that's dropped in it in this last few days. As this all goes to the sea. You know, deserts in this world, like a pass for water and all this is just lands in little old Wales. And within, I don't know, 30-40 mile stretch, just hits the sea. Right, let's walk them back and get them dogs. River Ebro, full flow. Don't let the dogs go near that river. Well, I even grasped the speed of that there. It's like a proper river, I don't know why. And get the owns out. Got the light on, eh? Here we are. He is. the bowling green. The autumn now, look, all of the trees discoloured. Right, take him for a little walk now, empty him out, keep him happy. Bye for now.